Kia ora, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This week at Everything You Need to Know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock with news, inflation's pressures and high interest rates are spreading around the world. But first, American retail sales held their high levels last week, up more than 15% from year-ago levels, although base year effects embellish that. All the same, it is a good positive result and better than anticipated. US mortgage rates are now all turning noticeably higher, with their benchmark 30-year fixed almost back to levels last seen 2 years ago. But while they are in a longer-term shift lower for mortgage applications, this latest jump in rates hasn't hurt recent application levels. And Canada's headline inflation rate rose faster to 4.8% in December from 4.7% in November and October, matching market expectations. Their core inflation rate rose quicker. And this was the steepest inflation rate in 30 years for them, amid ongoing supply disruptions and low base year effects. China is drafting nationwide rules to make it easier for property developers there to access funds from sales still held in escrow accounts, in its latest move to ease a severe cash crunch in the sector. All Chinese property developers have almost $20 billion in offshore debt maturing in the first quarter of 2022, the highest since 2015. And Germany reported a 5.3% December inflation rate, although this is 5.7% on an EU harmonised basis. The UK reported its full December inflation rate at 5.4%, although of course they no longer have to declare standardised European rates. And back in Germany, their 10-year government bond yield turned positive for the first time since May 2019. The US Treasury 10-year yield opens today at 1.84% and down 2 basis points from where we left it this time yesterday, giving up some of yesterday's shift higher. And the price of gold starts today at $1,840 an ounce, and that's $25 higher. And oil prices start today at up $2.50 at just under $86.50 a barrel in the US, while the international Brent price is now just under $88.50 a barrel. And the Kiwi dollar opens today marginally firmer at 67.9 US cents. Against the Australian dollar, we're softish at 94 Australian cents, and against the euro, we're holding at 59.8 euro cents. That means our trade-weighted index starts today at 72.3, and a minor rise since this time yesterday. We welcome your feedback. Leave a comment below or on our website. Kia ora, I'm David Chaston. That was 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz.